Google SketchUp Pro is a fantastic software to integrate within a geography classroom, as the interface is user-friendly and allows for data sharing between other Google applications. In this example, students can utilize tools within Google SketchUp to generate a contour map, harnessing the ability to 3D model the terrain of any location across the globe. By using the geolocation tool, students can add a location from Google Maps. They can zoom in and select a specific region, which will then import into their SketchUp file. From here, they can use the geolocation tool to show terrain, which will generate a 3D model of the region. Contour lines can then be added by drawing in a series of planes, which represent the different levels above the datum point, and by using the Explode tool on the 3D model. By selecting all components in the SketchUp file and right-clicking to access the option of Intersect Faces, a 3D contour map of the region will be generated. From here, students can use additional features within the SketchUp software to map other environmental elements, including waterways and vegetation. Furthermore, by importing additional information from Google Maps and utilizing plugin features, this practice can also be utilized to investigate populated locations, including suburban and metropolitan areas. SketchUp Pro is not free, and the school will be required to purchase an annual license, but there are often discounts available for educational institutions. This software has other applications and is commonly used in other subject areas, including design. 3D digital modeling allows the students to develop a deeper understanding of the environmental features within the geographical location they are studying, without the need to visit and physically traverse the space. The application of this technology would be especially useful to support student learning in Senior Geography Unit 1, responding to risk and vulnerability in hazard zones. The use of spatial technologies is considered an integral part of learning to this unit. Students are required to explain geographical processes using a range of representations, including conceptual models. To create this model, students will access CAD Mapper, an online service that provides 3D models of cities from across the globe, modeling both the terrain and the built environment. Students can download a 3D model of the case study location and import it into their SketchUp file. From here, students can manipulate different components within the model to suit their needs. In this example, I have changed the material of the river component so that it becomes the visual focus of the model. Similar to the contour process previously explored, I have created consecutive planes to represent the rising flood levels, which is set at intervals of 2.5 meters. Like a choropleth map, I have assigned colours to the buildings located in the hazard zone based upon their associated risk of inundation. Buildings which are red are the most vulnerable, while buildings that are yellow will only experience inundation if flood levels exceed 12.5 meters above the datum point. Buildings that are grey are not considered at risk of flooding. Students can move the planes that represent the flood level to visualize the impact of inundation upon the case study location. The process of making this conceptual model would only take one lesson, around 40 minutes for students to complete. The teacher can model the process and provide support to students where necessary.